Welcome to G-Tech, your one-stop shop for tech news and reviews.
Welcome back to a brand new episode of G-Tech. I'm your host with the most, who loves the toast, and I'm so excited to talk to you about this product today. It's something that I've been seeing advertised a bunch, and I actually bought what I thought was going to be a different version of this, and it turned out to be a bust. So I ended up buying this one. It is a 7-inch portable wireless car stereo, as it says, but it was advertised on TikTok. Used to be like $56, somewhere around the price of $39 now, but it does exactly what it says it does. It's a Bluetooth compatible, so you connect your phone to it via Bluetooth and then plug that into your aux cable in your car, and it will give you wireless CarPlay or Android Auto. Android Auto for your boy who does the Pixel. Shout out Pixel. But yeah, I was super excited to get it. So once I got it, I popped it open. I'd already put it in my car. I've been using it for about a week now. And I really enjoy this product. So kind of get into what came in the box. The device itself comes in the box. So you can also connect it like a micro SD card to it. So it has a ports for it. I guess I'll show the camera, right? So you've got your audio in, or your audio out, excuse me. You got your AV in if you wanted to connect it to like a camera, like a backup camera that it actually comes with. And then you have your charging cable or your power port and your SD card. That's what all comes into it. It does have these little speakers on the back, so you could hear audio through it. I wouldn't recommend that. It sounds terrible, but you can also connect it via that, aux cable to your device or your car and hear your audio and stuff and use Android Auto and all its goodness. It came with 2 different mounts. This mount comes over there. You can put this directly over your old dash board if you want to just cover it up or use it as a replacement, or another mount that goes on the dashboard that kind of hangs over, more traditional like a Magellan GPS. It also came with the actual backup camera, so you could connect this to your vehicle if you don't have a backup camera already. Run it underneath some of the carpet and stuff like that and bring it up to that, and you'll be able to see the backup camera as you go. So that's what's in the box. I will go over a little bit in a second of what it looks like when it's powered on. It's really easy setup. Setup took all of about like 5 minutes. Out here in Houston, it's really, really hot, so the glue might come off. I don't know if the glue is going to come off when it's on the dash. It's a little heavy, but we'll have to see that later. So here's that audio in port that I was talking about. Here is your micro SD card and your AV in, so that's for the backup camera. And here's the charging port. It is USB Type-C, so that's good to go. Here's these little speakers on the back that I don't recommend you using, but they definitely do work. So if your speakers go out in the system, at least you still got sound, right? Power button here, and then here's the microphone right here. It's not the best microphone in the whole world, but it has it, and you're able to use it as you talk. Right, so here's what we got when it's all set up. It's about 7 inches across, and the touchscreen works really, really well. I do have like the protective film on it. I didn't take it off from when I bought it. I just left it on. But here it has wireless Android Auto detected. Now it is Bluetooth from your phone to this device, and it connects. If you have an aux cable, it will connect to your car, so you're able to hear music and get all your stuff right through your speakers inside your car. It does give you all the Android Auto goodies, so everything you could automatically get from Android Auto, it'll give you right away, and you can add whatever else that comes with it. It does also have wireless CarPlay as well, so you will get the wireless CarPlay effects. Now for some reason I'm not seeing the thing to go home, but there's normally a home button somewhere here where I could get back to the interface without Android Auto on. Let me turn off Android Auto on my phone so you can kind of see how it sets up. All right, should disconnect now. So this is what the normal interface looks like. It looks like a normal in-deck car deal. Now it's going to connect to my other phone. Perfect. No worries. It's going to keep doing that right now. All right. So it has your settings button where you're able to check it out. It does have EQ settings, which is pretty cool. You turn the volume up. You can connect it via aux, via Bluetooth, however you want to connect. Has a CarPlay, brightness. So it's pretty bright on its own. If I turn these lights off, it's probably going to screw up the video. But it's pretty bright on its own. Works fantastic. You can link it with your phone. You could also mirror your phone as well. I've never tried to mirror my phone, but I guess there's like a app we could do to mirror it. Never tried it, so it does have that option. But it is fantastic, and it's something I was really looking forward to just using the entire time. I definitely was super happy to get it on sale too, because they're normally way more. But as soon as you turn on the car, it will just connect to Android Auto right away usually. If you turn on Bluetooth and all of that, it should just connect right to it again. And it's really smooth, really snappy. It doesn't, doesn't hesitate or have any hitches or anything like that. It's real easy to just pop on. It has Hey Google features. I just set off the one on my phone, which I was recording from. You can hear it. It goes right through. I love it. Super cool. And I would definitely recommend it, especially for the price. So we're going to go back in and film the rest of the video. But here's what it does all in its glory. You see the car, you see the calls, there's even games. You can watch Plex. If you mirror your phone, you are able to watch videos directly on the device. So there's that. If you're able to enjoy it. And I will see you in the next scene. Bam! We're back with one of my favorite devices that I've ever had. It doesn't even have an official name. It's just a portable wireless, it's a portable wireless CarPlay Android Auto device on TikTok. There will be a link down bottom. So yeah, I mean, you got to see it in action. It does everything that's promised on the package. There is a little bit of fuzz. It's using aux. So whenever you use the Google Assistant, there's like a little bit of fuzz, a little static that I can tell. It's a little distortion. It doesn't sound super crisp in that aspect, but the music sounds great and the media sounds great. So, I mean, that's what you're really using it for the most part. You will use, if you use the text to talk here as well. I do notice that the microphone doesn't pick up always great. So a lot of people are asking, what are you saying? And I have to kind of yell. But if you're in the car by yourself, it's perfect. If not, probably get yourself some headphones, run it that way. It wasn't fantastic in that aspect, but everywhere else it's great. I mean, you can use it to make phone calls. It does work, but sometimes spotty. So I give that a C. But everything else I give an A. I wanted it for the auto so bad where I could have my navigation up and I don't have to put my phone there and I'm looking on my phone screen. Even though it's not much bigger than the phone screen, for some reason it feels a lot better. I don't know if that's just in my head, but I think the Android Auto experience is really, really cool. And I'm glad that I got it. So overall, I'd give it like a 8 out of 10 for the price range. I'm pretty sure there's way more expensive ones that you can put inside your car to have it all taken out. But for the ease of setting it up, and for 39 bucks, or was it 30 bucks, $29.99 or whatever, I think it's a tremendous value and it'll add some fun to your car. So until then, smash that like button, hit that subscribe, and I'll see you there, or I'll see you at another time. Peace.